Well, it's Monday morning, the work week's dawning, and as usual, I'm running late. I need to get my rear in high gear if I'm gonna be there by 8. I'm sitting at the table reading the label on a jar of Nescafe. Yeah, I'm sitting here wishing that I could go fishing, but I gotta go to work today. I'm sitting here wishing that I could go fishing, but I gotta go to work today. Hey, I can't wait to get back on the lake. I sure could use some new crankbaits, but my paycheck's spent, I'm late on the rent, and there's a rig note I gotta pay. Yeah, I'm sitting here wishing that I could go fishing, but I gotta go to work today. Well, it's 7:43 and I really ought to be heading on out to the truck. The boss is on a tear, he's been a real nightmare, and I'm just about fed up. I got 15 minutes and my heart ain't